How are you बेटा? ठीक है?
Good जी, thank you.
That's very great. ये तो बहुत प्यारा बेटा है माशाल्लाह. That's very good. Beta, you can ask me about any of the difficulty, any of the thing, whatever you feel. Dekho, I have drawn a figure for you. Is it smart one? I can teach you how can you draw the figures like that. Okay? So what have I done over there? I have divided the circle into 4 equal parts. So the number in the denominator, you know, the number in the, what is the denominator? This number is the denominator. Can you see that? It is called the denominator, it is called the numerator. Numerate means to count. What we do that, this is the number, you know, I tell you one thing, that if we just consider this number, we can just separate it little bit. ये देखो इसको मैं अभी इसका दिमाग ठीक करता हूँ थोड़ा सा. असल में ना बेटा ये वाला जो ऊपर वाला जो नंबर है ना, ये नंबर जो है इसको we can separate it from this number like this. ये देखें, this is 3 को यहाँ से separate कर लेते हैं ऐसे. So many 3s are there. और ये वाला जो नंबर है ऊपर वाला, इसकी जगह पे 1 लिख देते हैं और यहाँ पे लगा देते हैं ब्रैकेट लगा देते हैं, या यहाँ पे बेटा मल्टीप्लाई का निशान लगा देते हैं. Whatever you can do. ये देखो भाई, इसका मतलब पता है क्या है? 3 times 1/4. You know that? Do you know that? 3 times 1/4. What does 1/4 means? If we divide any of the thing into 4 equal parts and we take 1, it is called 1/4 or 1/4. If you multiply it by 3, it means that you have taken the 3 parts. So this white portion is 3 parts out of the 4 parts. It is to be written like this, 3/4. It is called the 3 times of 1/4, isn't it? Now, look at this fraction. It is called 5. It is called the integral part. Integral means doesn't have a fraction, complete. It is 5 whole number. Sometimes we call it whole number, 1/3. So that its integral part is 5. We can write it this as well. We can write it this. You can understand this? Do you know this? I didn't, you know? Yeah. You are very good boy. So what we read this? How can we read this? This mixed fraction. How can we read this?
How do you read it? How do you read that? What is that fraction?
5 wholes plus 1/3.
5 whole 1/3. Isn't it? That's very good. You are quite intelligent. Very good. So we can write it down like this as well. 5 plus 1/3. You know, how can we simplify this 5 plus 1/3?
How do you simplify?
How can we solve this?
How do you simplify it? How do you make a whole?
So into a whole number?
Yeah.
You know, how can we solve this? Denominator, in the denominator, there's 3. There's nothing. 5 divided by is nothing. So we can just consider it as it is 5/1. If there's no number in the denominator, we can just take it like 1. We can write it this as well. मैं आपको लिख के दिखाता हूँ ताकि आपको ये बात समझ आ जाए. देखो अभी मैं आपको लिख के दिखाता हूँ. ये देखें सारा कुछ मैंने इस पे रखा हुआ है ताकि आपको अच्छी बातें बताएं. 5 can be written as 5/1. We can write it down this. What 5/1 means? Tell me please. 5. 5/1 means 5. And this is 2 fractions. 5/1 means exactly 5. There's no fractional part. And it is 1/3 as well. Then what we do that? We multiply the denominators or we take the LCM. You know what is LCM?
Lowest common denominator.
LCM, you know beta? No problem. In your syllabus, simple things are there. We just find out a number which is divisible by both of these 2 numbers, 1 and 3. That is 3. 3 can be divided by 1. 3 can be divided by 3 as well. So what we do that, we just draw a line. यहाँ पे असल में ना मेरा डिजिटल पेन जो है इट इज मिसिंग समवेयर, इसलिए थोड़ा सा ये 3 मैंने इसका एलसीएम बना दिया बेटा। देखो बेटा ये वाला 3 इससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ऐसे, 5 3s are बोलो 15, 5 times 3 is
15.
time, you know the times table, how
Say,
many,
what's
how
happening?
many?
5 times 3 equals 15.
Oh my goodness, such a good boy, very good. 15, shabash. And plus 1 times 1 is 1.
1.
So it becomes, what it becomes?
16 over 3.
16 over 3 is the answer. So what we do that, the same activity we have done over here, 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1. The same we do straight away here. To break up this whole number, what we do that, 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1. Do you know that? 5 multiplied by 3, 5 3s are 15, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16, 16 over 3. We can write it down. I will paste it this page in the group. You can just print it or you can keep it with you. I write down the answer here. It is 16. Now if you divide 16 by 3, how many times it goes? 5 times. We can write 16 over 3 like 5 whole 1 upon 3. है ना? Hadn't ये बातें आपको समझ आ गई? Do you understand this all? That's very good. You are very cute boy. That's very good. You know I am your grandpa. Do you know that? Oh, what a great thing. Now look at this. This is the number minus 3 and this is plus 4. How can we add this? You know, I tell you one thing. Please listen to me carefully. Minus 3 means there are 3 ones, there are 3 negative ones. Like this. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. How many negative ones are there? 3. It means that it is minus 3. What does plus 4 mean?
Adding
There are
4.
4 positive ones, isn't it? So the heap of the negative number is less as compared to the heap of the positive ones. We can have the cancellation. We can just plus 1 is cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So we can cancel plus 1 with minus 1, plus 1 with minus 1. What is left behind? This plus 1 is left behind. Plus 1 is left behind. So the teacher tell you, what the teacher tell you? Now I tell you what the teacher tell you. Teacher tell you that consider these two numbers, whatever the number is greater, the answer would be 4 is greater than minus 3, then the answer would be positive. Otherwise, if 3 is greater than this, like this, minus 3 is greater than plus 2, then the answer would be negative. It is obviously true. This heap of the negative number is greater than that of the heap of the positive number. You just clear your concept. It's not the cramming. There's no cramming in mathematics. Mathematics is to understand it clearly. You know the reason for that, you can just understand the mathematics in a nice way. You know, your Dado and my wife were childhood friends. They used to study the same school. They used to study together. They lived together. They were the neighbors as well, next door neighbors. So they were poor at mathematics, both of them. That was the good thing I'm telling you about that. ये देखो ये 1/4 छुप गैस के पीछे ये निकल आया बाहर. अच्छा बेटा, the next one is, now you must understand this thing. Minus 3 plus 2, the answer would be, tell me please, what is the answer?
-1.
-1. Oh, my goodness, such a good boy. Now there are 2 methods to solve this fraction. It is called the mixed fraction because 3 is the whole number and 1/2 is the proper fraction. Proper means if 1 is less than that of 2, it is called the proper fraction. It is called 3 whole 1 upon. How can we add this? How do you add this? 3.
So first, 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. So 7 over 2.
Shabash. Oh my goodness, such a good boy. I have told you this method, this is written over there. This is just to clear your concept, okay? The second method is there in the bottom. You can see whatever you are telling, it is this. देखो सब कुछ मैंने बनाया है आपके लिए. ये देखें, what you are telling me about the 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 2. Similarly, this, now we multiply 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. 3 can be multiplied with 7. 16 can be multiplied by 2. You get the answer. ये देखो ये डिवीजन का साइन भी हमने बनाया, ड्राइंग से बनाया. ये देखो ड्राइंग की है ये. एडन के लिए ड्राइंग करके ये बनाया. ये देखो ये वाला साइन बनाया. तो यहाँ से अलग भी हो जाता है. ये देखा आपने कैसा स्मार्ट साइन बनाया. So, beta, I teach big classes like master's level and bachelor's level. Now, today I'm telling you about the minor thing.
You made Uncle come down.
Now you can see this 2 power 5. It is to be read as 2 raised to the power 5. It is called the exponent. You know that what is called?
Exponent.
You know it is exponent. 2x, that's why it is called the exponential function. 2 power 5 means that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And every 2 is raised to the power 1. When there's nothing written over there in the power or the exponent, we mean that it is raised to the power 1. And 2 power 0 is, you know, what is 2 power 0? Wow, wow, wow. He knows about everything. Very intelligent boy. You are so great boy. The people say that you don't understand mathematics. I do believe you know very much mathematics. Wow, wow. I'll tell you in the next some time why it is like 1. I can tell you about all the things, why it is like that. Okay? देखो ना यहाँ पे इसको we can make it, यहाँ पे इसको 0 बना देते हैं और इसको यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. It is written over there. It is called the radical sign. Square root is called the radical sign. There is nothing written over there. Sometime in here it is written 3. If it is written 3 here, it is called the cube root. If it is written 4 over there, it's called the fourth root. Root means root of a plant. Root is always in the bottom. So that if you write it down like a power, whole power. I tell you one thing more. Whole power. Whole power means 81 over 4 whole power 1 upon 2. You know that? Square root means whole power 1 upon 2. No? No, no problem. I can write it down here just to make you understand about that. देखो कैसे लिखते हैं इसको. यहाँ लिखा है ना बेटा. ये वाला जो साइन है इससे पावर आती है. ये देखो ये पावर इससे आती है. I am going to write down. यहाँ पे fraction लिखना चाह रहे हैं. ये इसको copy paste भी कर सकते हैं ऐसे. यहाँ देखो ये इसको यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट भी डाल सकते हैं. ये देखो ब्रैकेट से कितना सिंपल है. ये ब्रैकेट डाल देते हैं. यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन लिख देते हैं और इसकी पावर में 1/2. देखो ये निशान है, ये सब फ्रैक्शन. ये फ्रैक्शन कितना सिंपल है लिखना. इसको लिख देते हैं 1/2. 2 is in the denominator. That's why whenever the number is in the power and it is like this 1/2 and 2 is in the denominator, it is called the root. It is 2, that is why it is called the square root. If it is 3, it is called the cube root. Cube root means whole power 1/3. Square root means whole power 1/2. Okay? Now the same can be written. There are 2 or 3 possibilities. I consider all the possibilities. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है बताना. It is very important to tell you about each and everything, about every concept. Now the same I have pasted over there, And the inside 81 can be written 9 times 9 is 81.
81.
So it can be written 9 power 2. It can be written like 9 power 2. It can be written like this. ये देखो, there are two concepts. That is why I'm telling you about that. ये क्या हुआ? ये तो कॉपी नहीं हुआ अभी. ये देखो ऐसे करते हैं ना बेटा, ऐसे ऊपर ले जाते हैं तो ये कॉपी हो जाता है. ऐसे कंट्रोल C मीन्स कॉपी. इसको यहाँ पेस्ट कर देते हैं. कंट्रोल V मीन्स पेस्ट. देखो ये बन गया. Now what happens when some power is raised to the power? This power 2 is raised to the power 1 upon 2. So 2 is multiplied by 1 upon 2. What we get? Tell me please. When 2 is multiplied by 1 upon 2, what we get?
1/4.
No. I tell you. बेटा अभी मैं आपको लिख के दिखाता हूँ, फिर आप बताइएगा. मैं आपको थोड़ा सा ये बता रहा हूँ ताकि आपको हर आने वाले क्वेश्चन जो हैं इजी महसूस हो. ये देखो मैं आपको लिख के दिखाता हूँ. देखो हाउ कैन वी राइट इट डाउन. देखो कितना आसान है. देखो ये देखो लिखा भी गया. ये 1/2 है ना बेटा. ये 1/2 है. ये वाला 1/2 है. ये देखो भाई, इसको यहाँ से कॉपी करके यहाँ पहुँचाते हैं इसके साथ. ये पहुँच गया. इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1/2. Now tell you 2 multiplied by 1/2.
2 times 1/2.
Beta, I tell you, no problem. I tell you one thing. ये जो मल्टीप्लाई का निशान है ना, ये देखो ये आ रहा है. अब ये सही हो गया. नीचे वाला जरा गड़बड़ हो गया. ये वाला है ना. ये बताओ क्या गड़बड़ हो गया. ये पावर की बजाय नीचे मल्टीप्लाई हो गया है ना.
Because the X came to as a variable.
बेटा whenever we multiply, ये 2 जो होता है ना बेटा, ये वाला 2, it is to be multiplied with 1. 1 is in the numerator. इसका साइज में बड़ा कर दूं, थोड़ा नजर आ रहा है सही.
जी.
ये लो भाई, अब नजर आ रहा है, सही नजर आ रहा है बेटे को, प्यारे बेटे को. ये देखो बेटा, how this 2 is multiplied? This 2 is multiplied with 1. This one. Do you know this? No problem. Whenever we multiply the numerators, all the numerators. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2/2. Or directly we can cancel this 2 with this 2. What is left behind? 1. So it is 9 power 1. Need not to be written. 1 is not required to be written over there. Okay? बात समझ आ रही है थोड़ी थोड़ी. जरूरी नहीं है बहुत समझ आ जाए. थोड़ी समझ आ जाए वो भी बहुत है ना.
जी.
क्या ख्याल है? Yes. Then is very good. Now it is left with 9 power 1. It is 2 power 1. 1 is not to be written. We can do straight with this as well. ये देखो मैंने अलग करके लिख लिया. And the people, teacher let you know that this square is cancelled with square root. I have told you the reason why the square is cancelled. This the inside square is cancelled with, because square root is a 1/2. And 1/2 is multiplied with this 2. That's why it is cancelled with this. Okay? डायरेक्ट कहते हैं इसको याद कर लें, इसको जहन में रख लें. ये देयर आर 2 डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स, आइडियाज. ये आपने दोनों जहन में रखने हैं. ये मैं आपको पेज दे दूंगा बाद में. आई विल गिव इट टू यू. आई विल पेस्ट इट ओवर देयर. जो व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप है उसमें पेस्ट कर दूंगा ऐसे जाके, तो यू कैन रिट्रीव दैट पेज फ्रॉम देयर. अच्छा बेटा, these are all the देखो, I tell you the good thing. This is the way the generally people do the questions. When these questions becomes very big, this 3 is the integral part, this 5 is the integral part. We can add them straight away as well. 3 plus 5 becomes 8. So why not to add them? It is done over there. I tell you one thing more. ये देखो बेटा, असल concept ये वाला है. When these numbers are very, very big, and it is difficult to multiply this number with this plus 1, etc. So we can write down 3 whole 1 upon 2 like this as well. This I told you what. Can we write it down? This can be written like this as well. 3 can be added with 5. 1 upon 2 can be added with 1 upon 3. This is very simple phenomena. Look at this, how nice it is. 8 whole number, 5 upon 6 is the answer. ये बहुत आसान नहीं है सादिया
जी
ये, मगर बच्चों को ना कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा.
जी
बेशक ये करें या ना करें. In most of the interviews, I've taken interviews from the teachers and the lecturers. I asked them, what would be 576 whole 1 upon 2? So they started doing the same activity like this. So that becomes too lengthy. If you consider this, it becomes very simple.
very simple, yeah.
है ना बेटा? मगर ये आइडिया के तौर पे जरूर आना चाहिए. इनके क्वेश्चंस हैं. Now I show you your page. I show you your page. Where is your page? It is over there. It is Sadia USA. Look at this over there. It is Sadia from USA. ये देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे मामा ने पेज डाला हुआ है. ये पेज डाला हुआ है. ये वाला पेज छोटा छोटा ना. ये सारे क्वेश्चन बेटा अब आप कर सकते हैं. You can do all the questions. क्या बेटा?
First question is minus 7 over 4
Minus 7 over 4
plus
7 over 6.
शाबाश शाबाश. आप बोले हो ना सही. I told you that this number as a whole is negative, so that nothing to be bothered while simplifying or multiplying this, breaking up the fraction. And in the end, you can write down minus 7 over 4. And how about this, the second number?
7 over 6.
7 over 6, shabash, 7 over 6. What have you done the next? Now look at this. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is 3 to the 6 to the 2 times 2 is 12. So we have to write down in the denominator as 12, like this. It is called the LCM, the least positive number, which is divisible by 4 and 6 both. 4 can divide 12 and 6 can divide 12 as well. Now I tell you the procedure. What we do that? We write down 12. देखो ये लिखा है ना बेटा, क्या करते हैं बताओ? What we do that? ये 12 को लिखते हैं बॉटम में, इसको ये लिखा है ना 12, इसको लिखते हैं ऊपर, ऐसे 12 को लिखते हैं ऊपर, और इसको 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं ऐसे, 4 से डिवाइड. How many time it goes? 4 3s are 12. 4 times 3 is 12.
4 times 12.
Now we multiply minus 7 by 3. So what we get here? Isn't it?
G.
Is it the same? What we do that? We write down the 12 in the numerator like this and divide it by 6. ये बातें याद रखनी है सारी, ये मैं आपको लिख के दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. ये बस ये अगर आप याद कर लेना, आपको सारा कुछ आ जाएगा. ये 3 आ रहा है ना बेटा, इस 3 से इसको ऊपर वाले नंबर को we multiply this number by 3. So we get minus 21. The same is to be adopted here. Now you tell me what is to be done here. What is to be
Turn it into a mixed fraction.
is this 12 is divided by 6 now. What we get? What we get? 2.
2.
Now we multiply 7 by 2. Here, 2.
And we get 42.
7 times 2.
It is 2. Beta.
Oh, 7 times 2 is
What we
14.
get? 14.
14.
Shabash, shabash. Good. When you multiply, now, Aiden, you please let me know that minus 21 is greater in magnitude. It is greater than that. Negative numbers are more than that of the positive numbers. So the answer would be negative, isn't it?
G.
Answer is negative or positive? You let me know that.
Negative.
Negative. Shabash. And what would be the answer?
Negative 7 over 12.
Oh my goodness. So your answer was the same as that, or different from this?
But you did a different format.
That was different, I think so.
No, his answer was 7 over 12. मगर इसने दूसरे तरीके से किया था.
नहीं, किस तरीके से? Beta, whatever you do, I tell you one thing more. I tell you one thing more. If you multiply 4 by 6, it would be 24. Even then, the answer would be the same. In mathematics, if you change the procedure, it's not true that the answer would be different for the different procedures, isn't it? I tell you what you have done. You have multiplied 4 by 6. 7 times minus 7 times 6 is minus 42 plus 28. So here is minus 28 over 24. Isn't it? Is there? I tell you, you have done what you have done. I tell you that as well. देखो ये लिखा हुआ ना बेटा, ये पूरा यहाँ लिख देते दोबारा. असल प्रोसीजर ये है, याद रख लो ये सारा. इसको भी डिवीजन, इसको कहते हैं प्रोसीजर टू फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम. अच्छा बेटा, ये देखो बेटा, आपने गड़बड़ की है इसमें कुछ, है ना? गड़बड़ की है, बताओ.
Like you messed up.
Have you done something wrong over there?
You done something wrong?
कहो ना, I've done something wrong over there.
नहीं.
ये बहुत प्यारा बच्चा है. अच्छा बेटा, it is, now look at this. Now look at this. ये वाला जो पार्ट है ना बेटा, ये इधर इसके लिए अब ये करना है. Now we do the same here. ये मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ ताकि आप सारे क्वेश्चंस करने के काबिल हो जाए. देखो बेटा, 24 is there. Write down 24 here. It is divided by 4 now. It is 4. So what we get? 6.
24 by 4.
It is 6.
6.
6. Minus 7 times 6 is?
Minus क्या?
Minus 7.
ये
Minus
minus
7?
7 है ना बेटा. देखो
Negative 1.
फिर से देखो, फिर से look at this. This 24 is to be divided by 4. We get 6. This 6 is to be multiplied with minus 7.
Negative 42.
Negative 42. So you are very great boy. And again, 24 is to be written over there in the numerator. 24 is to be written in the numerator. It is to be divided by
6.
6. What we get that?
4.
Wow, yeah, I didn't both like, but wow. And 7 times 4 is?
28.
28. Wow, good. Now you just simplify this.
Negative 7 over 12.
How?
Minus
42 plus 28. You just subtract, and the answer would be negative.
G.
So what's the answer?
करो ना माइनस बेटा, आप तुम्हें समझ आएगी.
42 minus 28. I mean, yeah.
42 minus?
It's a negative 42 plus 28, so you will be subtracting, correct?
देखो बेटा, ये लार्जर नंबर है ना, minus 42. तो आपने सिंपली 42 में से 28 को माइनस करना है. तो so you get minus 14.
Uncle already gave me the answer.
G.
And then you simplify it.
इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करके दिखाएं जरा बेटा.
Negative 14.
Negative 14 over the same 24. What's the common thing in both 14 and 24? 2 is common. So we can divide the numerator and denominator by 2. We get the answer.
-7 over 12.
देखो ये आ रहा है ना, आपका नेगेटिव नहीं आ रहा. You have done something great over there. It means, isn't it?
जी.
क्यों बेटा, कुछ किया आपने? Great work. बेटा ये मैंने आपको ना एक बात तो ये समझाई है कि in the denominator if some factor is common, in 4 and 6 2 is common. So 2 is to be written once. If you just divide both of the numbers by 2, 2 is common, you get 2 and 3. These 3 numbers are to be multiplied. I can write down here as well. मैं लिख देता हूँ इसको कहते हैं LCM, least common multiple. You know that? Do you know something about that? Your teacher didn't let you know about this thing, isn't it? Oh, it's so bad. It is multiplied by 2, ये वाला 2, next 2, multiplied by 3. So we get 12. सही है बेटा? देखो इसका नाम मैंने रखा हुआ है मैथ 6 आइडन. आइडन का मैथ 6. ठीक है बेटा? If you find out this 12, the question becomes easier. You can divide comfortably, you can multiply. In the end, you can get the answer in the simplified form. Okay? इतना काफी है आज के लिए, क्योंकि ये आपने सारा ना नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में मैंने आपसे पूछना है सारा कुछ, है ना? Not like that कि -3 plus, what is -3 plus 2? Tell me please.
-1.
3 positive 2.
-1.
-1. So smart boy. Minus -7 plus, positive 4.
-3.
Shabash. Good. Wow, 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 wow. This sign is called, what is this sign is called?
Square root.
This is a sign. Radical sign. What is this called?
Square root. Square root.
Okay. It is square root. Okay. It is square root. And square root means whole power?
1 over 2.
I know what to भूल गए हो ना. And cube root. Cube root means
3.
power 1 upon 3. So as the root is in the bottom in the soil of a plant, similarly 2 is in the denominator. That's why it is called the square root. When 3 is in the denominator, we call it one thing, only one thing more. ये देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बात आपको बतानी है, फिर छुट्टी हो जाएगी आपकी. फिर आप, we can meet next time sometime. You can collect, you can gather your all difficulties, then you can ask me about that. I can clear your difficulties, all the difficulties, okay? You'll become expert in mathematics. Actually, teachers are to be blamed. If the student doesn't understand that mathematics clearly, it's not because of you. It is because of your teacher that you feel difficulty. She or he cannot make you understand clearly about that. So if it is a raised to the power m, I tell you one thing. What is that m stands for? It is called the power exponent. This m is in the numerator, though a raised to the power m. And what is that n for?
1.
Root, beta, root. That n,
root.
n in the denominator means that?
Pardon?
बेटा ये आपको बहुत अच्छा आना चाहिए. ये रूट का क्या मतलब है? ये देखिए, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं a raised power 1 upon n. 1 upon n. What does it mean?
1/2.
Nth root of a. What does it mean? Nth root of a, है ना?
जी.
और जो इसके एक्सपोनेंट में पावर आ रही थी उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? ये देखो बेटा, m is left over there. We can write down m here. It is to be read as mth power and nth root of a. M is the power. This is the number over there in the numerator is the power. The number there in the bottom is the root of the plant, like root of the plant. So it is called the root. How it is to be read? Mth power and nth root of a. If you take power firstly, we can say a power m whole power 1 over n. We can write down the same as this as well. ये मैं इसको scholar बना रहा हूँ असल में. I am making Arden a big scholar, you know. We can write down m here. यहाँ पे m लिख सकते हैं बेटा. और इसकी पावर को बना सकते हैं. How it is to be written? Mth power and nth root of it. The same as this. No problem. Mth power of a and nth root of it. है ना? कोई फर्क पड़े? No फर्क at all. So that what I've told you about that, a number which is in the numerator and the exponent as well, in the numerator and in the exponent as well, it denotes the power. The number in the exponent and in the denominator is the root. ठीक है? आदन को अब नींद आनी शुरू हो गई है. When do you go to your bed?
9:30, 10 तक. 10 o'clock is usually his bedtime. Actually, क्योंकि ये कल रात को 12 बजे तक पढ़ा था, so that's why he's super tired.
तो बेटा. और what are your remaining subjects? You study science?
जी. History, science, art, music.
Oh, you
Physical
tell me something about music, okay? You teach me about the music, ठीक है? I'll
जी.
tell you about science, mathematics, and every other thing. What do you study in science?
Earth science.
You study chemistry, physics, or something like that? Biology?
Not right now.
Like planets, galaxies.
Okay, that's very good. So wish you all the very best. I will paste this page. ये आपका मैं page WhatsApp पे paste कर दूंगा. You can see that, you can follow that, you can repeat the questions. Whatever your mama has pasted your syllabus over there, your curriculum, you can solve the questions from.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Uncle.
बेटा दादा को बहुत सा सलाम कहना है. Regards, convey my regards. Love to everybody. Okay. All the best. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.
It's a great.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
बेटा खुदा हाफिज.